Hello from Arizona. My name is Cal. I want to welcome you to Tough Trails. All right, guys, in this episode, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap up this interior right here and finish it up. We've got all the seats in and all the panels in and all of our switches in and stuff like that. And we're going to talk about that in this episode. So let's get her going. Cool.
From this right here to this right here. Way cool. All right, guys, just a quick update on the interior here that we're doing. So we're playing around with this a little bit. We pulled the seat back out. It was just sitting in there anyway. We've got seat belts to install again as well. I'm going to clean this carpet out one more time. And you know this because this has got a 3-inch body lift on this. You can see what we did years ago. I might need to make me a little bit more room in here so that my transfer case shifter has a little bit more room. Okay, so then we'll put our mats back in, throw everything up in there, put it back together, and wrap this project up. Just want to give you a little bit of update of what we got so far. Okay, all right, guys, cool.
All right, now, all right. See, these are the switches that we had put in. This is the front bumper light just above the on the bull bar on the front bumper by the winch, and this is the rear bumper light, which is mounted in the back there that you've seen before. We can take another look at it, but you can see it right there. See here? All right. See that? Look at that. Look at that interior in the back. Ooh, doggy. No, don't look at the welds. Don't look at the welds. Okay. All right. Cool. And there we go. So we shut that back off. Okay. All right. Cool. And this one here turns on my upper light. So let's take a look at that. Crazy bright. Crazy bright. Yeah. Even that one's bright. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. So there we go. Okay. See the lights all illuminated or switches all illuminated inside. All right, cool. You see what I did is I just took my Sawzall here and my hammer and I made my cuts back a little bit more. Then I took my hammer and pounded this plate down a little bit to do that. That's going to give me more room now to get this back all the way. Okay? All right, cool. All right, so there you go. So we cut that piece out on the floor right there and we got that. So now we have plenty of room for our shifter and we put that back in place. Okay? All right, cool. All right, so we've added this little cargo net here as some kind of a bulkhead deal. This space here will fit a very large ice chest and your sleeping roll and a tent and your go bag. Put your go bag up in there as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any kind of a gun rack or weapons mount kind of a thing. If I did, it's going to be something that's vertical that goes up and down, you know, that way. But you know, probably not for this. We're probably going to end this here pretty soon. I'll make some panels here for the sides we got. I'm toying with these ammo cans right now as storage boxes because they're lockable boxes, but they're probably going to come out too. I'm probably not going to do that either. So I just want to get this one wrapped up so I can move on to the next one. Okay? All right, cool. Now, this here is where your radio goes and maybe a pocket and a cigarette lighter and that kind of stuff. But you know, it is so ugly in there right now without anything in there, and I'm not sure which way I want to go. So I've just put a filler in there for now. So in case you saw that and had a question about it, that's all it is. Okay, I'm just covering it because it's ugly. All right, cool. All right, so it's coming back together. Carpet, we got it all cleaned back up again, and threw some floor mats in and seat belts, that kind of stuff. Got that all done. And the top is now bolted on, so that's not going anywhere. So that's done. So now we're gonna throw some seats in here. Okay? All right, cool. All right, so floor's in, carpet's in, dash is all in, CB radio's all in, cargo net's in, seats are in, floor mats are in, modification's been made to the shifter, everything's set up, seats are bolted in, ain't going anywhere. Okay? And there's your interior. Interior is done. Okay? All right, cool guys. You are updated. The inside that we just did, and there's nothing special about that. I mean, the target top and the roof mounted CB and maybe the tire rack in the back, but other than that, it's pretty much the same. Let's see it there. There you go. You see up on top. You see CB up there mounted. See the dirty windshield, dust on it, the seats, all the detailing of the plastic, that kind of stuff. Okay? All right, guys. So there's your interior. Interior's all done. Heavy duty floor mats. Carpet got cleaned again. Seats are all mounted in. Everything got hit with olive oil again. And the covers are on. They're just stretching out right now. It'll be a while before they get to where they're supposed to be. Let me give you a better shot. So CB's on. The roof mount is all bolted down again. All that is done. Okay. So it's a pretty simple, basic interior for now. I still got this blocked out. I'm going to, I have to figure out what I want to do in here. I don't know if I want one of those new great big giant screens. I don't know if I want to go with a traditional single din or what I'm going to do with that. So I've got some other parts that I can make something out of, or I might just create my own thing. Okay, we'll see. All right, that'll be a future video. Okay, all right. But anyway, there it is. You can see the inside from now. That's what it looks like. It looks like from the back. So I actually think I'm going to take this carpet and trim it back down. And trim it back down to the floor, actually. Okay? So, all right. There you go. All right. Sorry about the dirty windshield. All right. All right. So what we're going to do next is we're going to cut this panel out right here out of the same material we use for the door panels. We're going to cut that out and put that on and install that and kind of try to get this interior wrapped up. Okay? Same on this side. Do that. Okay? And then this needs to be trimmed down to fit just the floor. I don't like the flap up there. Okay? All right, cool. All right, guys, so what we're doing here is these are the panels for the rear part of the back of the Sidekick, and we're replacing them with the same material that we did the door panels with. So what I've got them here is I got them laid out and I'm tracing them. Okay, but remember we have to go a little bit farther beyond, because this had a back seat in it and had the rear seatbelt towers in it, and that took up about this much space. So this is actually going to come to right about here. Okay, but anyway, this is how we do it. We just lay them out and we cut it out. Okay, all right, cool. All right, so you can see there we've got the side panels in the back as well. Okay, those are all done. And the floor, we trimmed out the floor and the mat in the back, and you can see this one here on this side, kinda. Okay, all right. Now there you go. Yeah, see, there you go. All right, got that all done. All right, all trimmed in. I don't know what's happening here because I can't see. Okay, then we trimmed out the carpet right here, which is exposed this part here. So on both sides, see that? So that's a better look than that raggedy carpet there. Okay, all right, cool. Maybe that's a better angle, but the sun's at a crazy angle right now. So anyway, there we go. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you this and include this somewhere, but these are they call them bumper fasteners or bumper tabs, but these are the retaining clips that hold in all of your door panels, holding in your panels and stuff. Okay, see right there, those little here. So I'm going to put a link in the description on these. These are the ones that fit our Suzuki's and Geo trackers. Okay, I just thought that's good information to have. All right, cool. Notice I was really quiet for effect. There we go, look at that. Wow, check it out, dude. Wow. All right, guys, so look what Amazon just brought me. This is the second one. I can't find the first one. But anyway, this is the emblem that goes on the grill right there. Okay?
So I'm gonna take and put that bad boy on and it'll be official. All right, so there we go. We got us our emblem back. All right, cool. Yeah, and there it is. Just two-way tape is what it is. Two-sided tape on the back of it. Pretty good. Anyway, there it is. You're official now. It's a Suzuki. Look out. Oh no, a Suzuki. Yeah. All right, cool.
All right, guys. So you notice some blue tape right here. And I was so proud of myself. I was able to take this tube right here and bake it in the Arizona sun, and it warmed up real nice, and it bent perfectly. It gave me that perfect S that I needed, and it was awesome. And then what happens is winter came along. Okay, so when winter came along, this material started to contract. Look at what it did. It split right here, and it split down here as well. So until I can figure out a long-term solution that's going to work for this, I'm just going to have to use some blue duct tape. So that's what we're going to do. This right here got wrapped up, but I ran out of blue duct tape, so I got a little bit more, and I'll wrap this up, and that's just going to have to do for right now. It's sad because it's such a nice, this is such a nice build, or it's turning out to be such a nice build, that we're having to do something like this. But I've got more of these, and I will figure this out, and we'll make something for that. Okay? All right, cool. Yeah, so there we go. So at least that's a better shade of blue. That actually matches. Wow. I looked out on that. That's terrible to have to do that, but I'll figure this out. Okay? All right, cool. All right, guys. There you go. We just about got this wrapped up for you. Okay? So, all right, guys. Anyway, I just want to thank you for watching our videos and making it this far through the video. We really appreciate you. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much.